Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, some applications of trigonometry of class 10. So we have already studied trigonometry chapter. There we have studied all the trigonometric ratios, identities and the sums related to ratios and identities. So in this chapter we are going to learn the application of the concept trigonometry. So in our real life situation where we are applying this concept trigonometry. Okay. So the main application of trigonometry is finding the heights and the distance of any object. So that is the main application of trigonometry. So now we will see in this chapter we are going to see questions based on this application, heights and distance concept. Before going into the exercise question, first we have to learn few basic terms in this chapter. So what are all the terms we will see now? First one is line of sight. And the second one, horizontal level. Third one, angle of elevation. And fourth one, angle of depression. So these are the four terms you should know before doing the sums. Okay. So we will see one by one. First we will see what is line of sight. Okay. We will start with the first term, line of sight. So suppose a boy is standing on a ground and we have a tower here. So we have some tower. We have a tower here. If this boy is observing the top of the tower, then the imaginary line between the eye of the observer and the top of the object, that is the point of the object observed by the observer, this imaginary line is called the line of sight. So again I am repeating. So line of sight is an imaginary line connecting the eye of the observer to the point where the viewed by the observer, to the point of the object viewed by the observer. So this line is called the line of sight. Now the second one is what is horizontal level. Suppose if this boy is viewing, that is observing exactly straight a point on the tower. So if imagine if the boy is observing straight, his view is very straight and he is observing exactly straight to a point of the tower, then this line is called the horizontal level. So this line is called the horizontal level. And another important thing, this horizontal level should be parallel to the ground. So this concept you have to understand. Horizontal level should be parallel to the ground. Now the third one, what is angle of elevation? So angle of elevation, suppose the boy is observing the top of a tower, he is standing on a ground and observing the top of a tower, then the angle formed between the line of sight and the horizontal level, so this angle is called the angle of elevation. So the angle formed between the line of sight and horizontal level. So the angle between line of sight and the horizontal level is called the angle of elevation. So when we will get this angle of elevation, if we are viewing something above the horizontal level. So if we are viewing something above the horizontal level, we will get angle of elevation. Actually angle of elevation is the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level. So now the next one is, the last one is what is angle of depression. So when we will have this angle of depression, I will explain now with another diagram. So suppose a boy is standing on the top of a building or a tower or building, and he is observing. Here we have the ground, we have a tree Suppose this boy is observing the foot of the tree. Okay, so this portion he is observing the foot of the tree from a tall building. Okay, then here if you see this line is called the line of sight. So line of sight, you already know, the line joining the eye of the observer to the point of the object. Okay, so this is called the line of sight, and this will be the horizontal level. Horizontal level will be the straight view, that is the straight view. Then the angle between the horizontal level and the line of sight, this angle is called the angle of depression. So this angle is called the angle of depression. So when we will get angle of depression, if we view something below the horizontal level, if we are viewing something below the horizontal level, then we will get angle of depression. So angle of depression is also the angle between the line of sight. So this line is actually line of sight. Okay, so this line is line of sight. So the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level, when the observer views something below the horizontal level, we will get angle of depression. If so, the same person, if he is viewing a aeroplane, so here imagine, here we have a plane. So if the person is viewing this aeroplane from the tall building, then here if you see the line of sight, that is line of sight, the object is above the horizontal level. So here the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level, this angle is called actually angle of elevation. So this is what? Angle of elevation and depression. Okay, so if we are viewing something above the horizontal level, we will get angle of elevation. If we are viewing something below the horizontal level, we will get angle of depression. So these are the 4 terms you should know before doing the sums in this exercise, this chapter. Okay, before going into exercise question, first we will have a recap of what we have studied in trigonometry chapter. So we will see now the ratios, trigonometric ratios. So sin theta is equal to, the formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is cos theta formula? Cos theta formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So the remaining 3 ratios are the reciprocal of this. So cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, and sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, and cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite side. So the 6 trigonometric ratios in terms of the sides of a right angled triangle. Now we will see the angles, the specific angle, trigonometric ratios of the specific angle, because these 2 concepts only we are going to use in this chapter in the exercise questions. So we will see that. So here we will write angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here we will write sin ratio, cos ratio, tan. If you know these 3, the remaining ratios also you can write, because the remaining ratios are the reciprocal of these 3 ratios. So first we will start with the 0. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. So how will you write the cos values? Just the reverse, in the reverse order you have to write. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. Now how will you find tan value? You know that tan theta formula is sin theta by cos theta. So just we will divide these values. So 0 by 1, that is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. Here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is 1. Here root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is root 3. And here it is not defined, because infinity 1 by 0 is not defined. So tan 90 and D is not defined. So you should know these are the concepts we are going to use in exercise question. So these ratios and the trigonometric ratio of this specific angle you should know. Now we will see the exercise questions. We have only one exercise 9.1. In that we have 16 questions. Each question is very important. Okay, so we will start with the first question. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. So in this question they have given the diagram. So some question diagram won't be there. So first, before doing the sum, the first step is we have to draw the diagram. Without diagram we cannot do the sum. Okay, so here it is given that AB is the pole. So we will denote, let AB be the pole and AC be the rope. So here in this diagram it is very clear, AB is the pole and AC is the rope, and the length of the rope is given in the question as 20 meter, that is AC is equal to 20 meter. Now if you consider this angle is given as 30 degrees, so the angle made by the rope and with the ground level, that is 30 degree, this angle is given in the question. We have to find the height of the pole. Height of the pole means you have to find the AB length you have to find. So listen here. So we have AC, we have to find the AB. So with respect to this angle 30 degrees, so this is our acute angle. With respect to this angle, actually this AB side is the opposite side. So this side is the opposite side, and this side, what is the side AC given, length given is AC. So this side is the side opposite to 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. So you have to find the trigonometric ratio connecting these two sides, that is the unknown side and the given side, that is opposite side and hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio connecting these two? Sine ratio. Okay, so we can write in triangle ABC, sine 30 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Now you know that what are the values of this sine. So all the values you should know here. Remember here all the trigonometric values of the trigonometric ratios. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to AB by AC is 20. Now we will do cross multiplication. So 2AB is equal to 20. So AB is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 meter. Therefore, the last statement you have to write, the height of the pole is equal to 10 meter. So the height of the pole is equal to 10 meter. Now next question. Question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So here in this question, see, listen, diagram is not given. So first we have to draw the diagram. So we have a tree. So this is the ground. So we have a tree. Okay, so due to storm, the broken part, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. So here this tree, due to storm, it broke, and the broken part, imagine this will be the broken part. So the broken part touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with the ground. So this angle is 30 degree. So this full length, so if I am denoting this as AB and this as AC, then the total height of the tree is AB plus AC. This together will give you the height of the tree. So we have to find actually the height of the tree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. So the distance between foot of the tree and this is the point where the top of the tree touches the ground. So this distance is given as 8 meter. Then we have to find the height of the tree. So we will write now height of the tree. So this is our diagram. So without diagram we cannot proceed the question answer. So first we have to convert the given question into a diagram form. Then we have to do it. So we will write let AB plus AC be the height of the tree. So for finding the height of the tree, we need to find AB and AC separately. Now you see here with respect to this angle, actually AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So what is the ratio connecting opposite side and adjacent side? That is tan ratio. So we can write tan 30 degrees. So in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side, that is AB by adjacent side, that is BC. Now you know that what is the value of tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by 8. BC is 8 meters. Okay. Now we will do cross multiplication. So you will get AB is equal to 8 by root 3. So you will get AB value as 8 by root 3. We will rationalize this by multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 3. So 8 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, that is 8 root 3 by 3 meters. So this is the height AB. We got only AB. Now we have to find the AC. So with respect to this side angle, this side actually AC is the side opposite to 90 degree, that is this is hypotenuse. So what is the ratio connecting the adjacent side? With respect to 30, this side is adjacent side. What is the ratio connecting adjacent side and hypotenuse? That is cos ratio. So we can write cos 30 degree is equal to BC by AC. Now cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to BC is 8 by AC. That is AC, when you cross multiply AC root 3 equal to 16 you will get. That is AC is equal to 16 by root 3. We will again rationalize this, that is 16 root 3 by 3 meter. So we got AC and AB value. Now actually we have to find the height of the tree. So here we will write, therefore height of the tree is equal to sum of these two values. That is AB plus AC. What is AB value? We got 8 root 3 by 3 plus AC is 16 root 3 by 3. So when you add these two you will get 24 root 3 by 3. So here 3 and 24 will get cancelled. So the answer is 8 root 3 meters. So the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters. So this is how you have to do. So today we have seen the introduction of this chapter and 2 questions. So in the next video we will see the remaining questions. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation.